Good afternoon guys, it's Jose, welcome back to the channel. So we have today been working on this 2022 Ducato 8. Now, as we progress this year, 2024, we're going to see more and more of these Ducato 8s rolling through. And even though the Ducato 8 came out in 2021, I believe, because of COVID and the backlog of all the pre-ordered vehicles, there weren't many of them on the road because most of the new ones that were then filtering through were still on the Ducato 7 platform. So this is a Ducato 8. Now what we have done today is something that we do on an absolute regular basis, and that is our Stage 3 audio setup. Now, if you've got a Ducato 8, it doesn't matter what head unit you've got in there, and that's the radio. We can cater for it, and it doesn't matter really if you've got the factory setup or aftermarket. We are here to replace and improve your door speakers, add tweeters up on the dashboard. Now a tweeter does the vocals, the high ends. We take the door card off and we apply sound deadening to allow the speaker to breathe and perform, otherwise it picks up all the rattles and resonations and vibrations. We also fit under drinks holder subwoofer with an inline mini amplifier with a little bass control knob. Now, unfortunately, it's one of those videos where there isn't a great deal to show you. Obviously, during the video, you're going to see plastic door card off. You're going to see Martin applying some sound deadening, our German handmade Eaton speakers going in. This particular setup, as we speak, costs £1,345. That's supplied and fitted, including VAT. And for that, you're going to get sound deadening on both the front doors. You're going to get Eaton component speakers, mid-bass speaker here, a pillar up here, inline mini amplifier, and more importantly, you're going to get the subwoofer with the bass control knob. That suddenly transforms your audio system, gives you depth, warmth and clarity, the three vital things that you're missing from factory, all through your factory head unit. So if you've got a Ducato 8 that's really lacking in the audio side of things, get in touch with us. We can make a massive difference, massive improvement for not a massive amount of money, and everything is hidden away. It's all discreet. There's nothing really obvious to say that we've been in there and done our work, apart from your ears are not bleeding anymore. They're actually going to be enjoying what you listen to. So don't forget to follow us on social media, website in the bio below, and as usual, thanks for watching.